This is just it's a pyramid, a 5-element pyramid where we have the business insights, as I already described to you. Data science is nothing but scientific thinking, innovative thinking, computer engineering, and lastly, data science is all about statistical analysis and methods. We use different kind of statistical analysis and methods to derive at the results. And the more the better analysis we do, the more the better outcome it is, the more better the organization can take a decision in their product or services they offer. And when that decision is made, then the outcome is the people, the buyers, they get the best product. So all starts with the data. The best data will give you the best statistical analysis. This is all about data science. It's software development associated with it. You all, I would come to this with you. Software development we do. Again, machine learning, I told you about that. It's an artificial intelligence thing. You need to know about the computer science. You need to know about the business models. You need to know about the business analytics. And then it is all about statistical mathematics. Whoever is in sharp in mathematics, I would recommend they should take up in future. Again, I come back to, is the data science easy for beginners? Yes, it is. How can you collect the data, analyze the data as I explained, and you make your decisions from the data by visualization. Visualization here is any kind of diagrams, any kind of images, any kind of analysis which is being you give in the as a report is called the visualization. Observation for data scientists. Again, the data collection, segregation, analysis. We have to know how the data patterns are, and then how the data can play an important role on a regular basis. Every day we get the data, and there are several data, they have their different data patterns. We get random data elements, then we do data forecasting and data visualization. It's all the same. Some important facts about data. Data is never clean. Data is always like very clumsy. They're very disorganized. There is no full automated data science. Big data is just a tool. Data science is not just, as I said, data comes in, you must be knowing about the Excel spreadsheet, but data science is not just about Excel spreadsheet. More data always don't mean that you have more accuracy. The more amount of data we get does not provide us the best results. You have to have the clean data. Then we can make more accurate results. Data science field has different roles, not just data scientists, as I explained, engineers, analysts, scientists. Data science is not only meant for organization, large organization. There are various small organizations who need data science. What are the important learnings you have to do for data is the various machine learning languages. These are the like the softwares we need to know. Python, R, different other things we need to know.